In this video, I will show how to sort alphabetically in Microsoft Excel. So, easy and simple way. Select this heading. Now, click on this sort and here select sort A to Z. So, we can see we can successfully sort with correct value. You will see Emma Johnson. It's the first name of this list and cells 32. Now select it and sort. Sort A to Z. Now you will find that one. Emma Johnson. So now this is the correct value and we sort alphabetically this name list. So this is a very short and basic way to learn Microsoft Excel. Check out description playlist videos.